We had this idea when we moved into this space that we wanted to break down silos. We wanted to be able to create a heart, if you like, to this building where teams could come together, where people could come together socially to collaborate. So we really wanted something that would be very open, spacious, collaborative, that would lend itself to teams coming together and working together very effectively.
We worked very closely with Condé Nast, the client, from a very early stage, making sure that we built a robust brief for what they were trying to achieve, and really trying to create a strong vision for ultimately what this building could and should become.
On our design scope, it was mentioned that there had to be a mum's guide to be able to have anyone's mum come on board and be able to use the system. So simplicity was the main factor for this project.
Worked with Christie on a number of projects over many years, and we've always worked with them to get them engaged on the project very early on. In this particular project, they were the right manufacturer to help deliver a very technical and challenging design for an environment that wasn't something that you would see in a traditional auditorium-style event space. We needed a manufacturer who would understand what was required, as well as having the hardware and the flexibility to be able to provide a service that could deliver what the client's expectations were.
What made Christie unique for this project was our integration offering, as well as the display technology. In this case was LED. We have the Spider X20 image processor and the Pandora's Box media player. I think having the ability for these products to talk together seamlessly really helped Condé Nast International allow their vision to become reality.
I think when we look at a design with Christie on a project of this scale, when we're doing LED type technologies or we're looking at doing media distribution systems, we always look to try and engage with them to deliver the whole solution. Particularly with the Pandora's Box, it was enabling the client to be able to create a very powerful hardware platform to distribute uncompressed content to the wall itself. So we use the Christie Spider X20 to map the pixels for the LED wall. Given that it's not a natural display orientation or configuration, we needed to create a custom pixel map environment to allow us to display the images across the wall.
I think the best part of this install is the open area on level 9, including the video wall. It was the most challenging area to install, due partly to the materials that the building is made of. It's quite an old building and it's not traditional materials that you might find in a modern commercial building. And in this open area is also where we worked with Christie to install the video wall.
We chose the Christie Apex LED product for its both flexibility on cost as well as performance. It offered redundant power supplies, which were a key driving factor for the project.
Another reason Condé Nast International chose Christie's Apex LED range was the world-class global service and technical support. So for example, in Woking in the UK, we've added dedicated service bays just for LED repair and to give that local support and rapid turnaround.
So the screen has been a real joy to everybody. I think everyone's enjoyed it immensely, and just seeing the quality of the screen working in conjunction with the quality of the kind of photography that we have here has been really fantastic.
So I think that was probably the most exciting bit for me. Was I came in and I was dealing with a load of construction snags, and I got in, it was lunchtime on the first move day, and the team had actually set up a laptop down there on the stairs, and they were using the screen for the first time, and there was about 30 people on the stairs, and I came in and I kind of thought, yes, we've done it!
I think the space has way surpassed my expectations. It's very easy to look at a plan and think that will be great. It's only when you walk in for the first time and you see this fantastic staircase, this huge visual display on one side of you, and then this great open cafe area with the views out to the river on the other side of you, that the space really comes together and makes this extraordinary impact.